Hello everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you an open collab. It is the Fall Decor collaboration hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Marilyn, and her lovely co-host is Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Now we are to create a seasonal bar card for the fall season. Create and decorate your bar card with fall decor and create a fall beverage. Well, here is my fall bar card. Here I have my Dollar Tree pumpkins inside my Home Good dessert dome. I have some acorns and pine cones in my Pier 1 apothecary jar that has the glam bling at the bottom rim as well as the top handle. I have my Goodwill mirror tray with my Dollar Tree tea light holders that I am using as drinking glasses. And I've shared this sign with you. It's my pumpkin patch sign that I paid 49 cents at Ross. Here I have another pocket carry jar with some more Dollar Tree pumpkins and Dollar Tree floral picks. I just love the mixture of the mums and the pumpkins. It just looks so festive to me. And I have this all styled on my bar card that I purchased from Amazon. We will check out the next level of my bar card. And I just have extra glasses. They are goblets that I purchased at Home Goods, and I believe I paid $1 for them. And we have my Ross flutes. They were $1.49 sitting on my tray from Burlington. Also, you see in the back my decanter from Home Goods and my bottle opener that was in a gift set with the wine stopper on my wine rack. And here we have my Burlington pumpkins with my mini Walmart pumpkins. And it's just my Dollar General floral picks. All right, guys. I have shared with you my bar card, and I hope you have enjoyed my styling. And now I would like to share with you my beverage. We'll be creating my favorite fall time beverage, and it is coffee. I will be using Mocha Macchiato, Cool Whip topping, and caramel. I normally use the spray kind of Cool Whip, but I don't have any, so this is what I will be using. What I like to do is drizzle some caramel down at the bottom of my glass. And then I use this cup so I can show you step by step. Pour in a caramel macchiato. And then I add in some Cool Whip. I like it a little creamy. And then I drizzle a little more. All right, guys, here you have it. This is my caramel mocha macchiato. I hope you have enjoyed my seasonal bar cart hosted by Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget, as well as Kimberly, Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. I hope you all will go to the playlist and check out all of the participants' video, as well as the host and the co-hostess video. I will have their channel links in my description box below, as well as the playlist. Now, I want to say thank you to Marilyn and Kimberly for hosting the seasonal bar cart collaboration. I thank you all for stopping by. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you all on my very next video. Bye-bye.